Okay, let's see. I gave some homework to the rest of the class to finish up the on-post update and on-post delete. Let me go and run my program, see what I've got so far, because I should do the same. Capstone students, update, throws the not implemented exception, because it's not been coded. Well, let me get that done really quick before class officially begins. My capstone service. Good morning. I've got people showing up for class already, early in the morning. Okay, let's go and check out what would happen with the update student. Got to finish this. Got to have validation of no duplicates. Pretty much the same kind of logic there. And the biggest yeah, that's the biggest thing. It's not so much that I'm not going to have any duplicates. It's that in this way, because I should have at least one. Okay, so if I have any where the school ID equals that and the person's student ID does not equal the student ID that was passed in, then I'll say another student already exists with that school ID. School ID semicolon correct that student before reassigning the, and I'll do it in there, student.e to this student. Little dollar sign on there. Okay, and then other than that, what I really want to do is I want to do my update. So here's my update. First, I should find that given student, or actually I should, I should find the student. Var existing is equal to the context of students. Find the one with that student ID. And then if existing is null, actually, can I use that keyword is null? I think I can. It's kind of a nicer way to do it. I'll throw new what kind of an exception should that be? Is it really an argument exception? Oh yeah, I'll consider it an argument exception. Argument exception. And let's see what version of argument exception. So with the message and the parameter name, okay. Could not find the specified student. And we'll do the name of student ID. There. Okay, otherwise I should be good. Good to continue on. Let's see, what do I want to do to update? Yeah, I want to basically go and take the existings. The existings first name should become the student first name. The existing last name should become the student last name. The existing school ID should become the student's school or student's ID. And then I should basically do an update. Let's see if that'll work. Let's try the underscore context dot save changes. I wonder if I'm going to have to mark that as being updated, or if just going straight through with the entity like that, with the existing one, if that will do it. Save that. Control F5. Hello. Oh. Okay. Let's look up one. Oh, another person popped into class. Good. Let's bring in Stuart Dent. Okay, let's get the student information. Okay, we got that. Let's go and change his first name to Stu and do an update. Bang. Oh, not implemented. Now, why in the world did that not compile and build? Let's do a rebuild. Oh, it's getting close to class. Alarm on my phone is starting to go. Control F5. Maybe I pressed Control 5 instead. Okay, let's go and get Stuart Dent up here again. See if I can change it to Stu. Update. Not implemented. Wow. I really better go and pay attention to what's happening for the rest of this. Oh yeah, this was not implemented. Ta-da. That's why it's always nice to say with not implemented what the name of the method would have been. I'll do that for my on post delete. Name of on post delete. See if I had the name of on post update into there. Then when I ran that and was looking at Stuart Dent and did the update, it would have said which one. Much better. Okay, so what do I do? Oh yeah, that's right. Similar to what I'm going to do for the on post ad. Let's see, I'll need a try catch. And what do I take from there? Oh yeah, here's what I want to do. I want to do with the service. I want to update the student for the selected. Is it the selected student? Oh, or did I have something hidden in there? Let's see. Da, da. Yes, I did. I had that hidden for the selected student, so I can go ahead and use that. So that's the selected student and the current student information that was done, except for the selected student that really should be its value. What would happen if there's an error? Pretty much the same kind of a thing that happened there. Get the innermost exception. I don't need comments like that anymore now that I'm remembering to do that. But here's the other big thing that I want to do. I want to have a feedback message. Successfully updated information for that person. And it's not really the new ID. It should still be the same one. It should be the selected student. That'll work. Oh, yeah, that's right. 6 minutes, 42 seconds left. I got to get this done before class begins. Be a bad example. I mean, like, I'm sure none of the students have left finishing this up to the last minute. Let's see. Da, 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 da. I think that's pretty good. Let's go and see. Control F5. Capstone students. Let's look up Stu again. Okay, he really wants to go by the name Stu, not Stuart. Let's do an update. Bang. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It looks like it was actually done. Let me see. Oh, yeah, I got to fix that thing too. I'll come back to that. Let me do a get information. Yeah, that looks like it's really done. Okay. How about the exception? How about if there's a problem? Let me go and do an ad. I'm going to put in something else. 2222, 2222. This is going to be Anna list. Let's add Anna. Awesome. Great. What happens if we try to give her Stu's ID? Bang. Oh, another student already exists with that school ID. Yeah, yeah. Cool. Cool. Okay. So there, got some updates there. Delete. Aha. Not working. What do I got to do for the delete to get that to work? Start out with doing a try catch with the exception EX. The body of the exception is going to be pretty much the same. You know what? I should really be turning that into its own single method, because the fact of the matter is I've got duplication of code. Should keep it dry. Pretty sure they've been told the dry principle. Okay, let's do the underscore service. Delete the student for the selected student's value. I don't think I needed to put anything else in there. And then let's get the feedback message. Okay, successfully removed. Removed. First name, current student last name, and put their school ID. Current student ID. Okay, cool. But this needs to be an int question mark null so that I get it properly redirected. And Control F5. Oh, bringing up all these other ones. Let me go back space. Okay, let's go to this. I'll look up student. That's what I'll do. Get student information. Okay, so what if I want to delete student? Actually, I think I want to delete Anna list. Okay, let's delete her. Bang. Delete student. No. I clicked delete and it said delete student. What in the world is going on? Delete student. Well, I'm getting the innermost exception. What's happening with the capstone service? Oh, all it got was like the name of the delete student. Okay. Well, let's go. And it's going to be very similar to my update. Class is starting. I need to go. And try to find that information. If that works, then otherwise I will go and I will say, I will go and say underscore context dot students remove the existing student and underscore context dot save changes. Control F5. Oh, everybody's watching now. Okay, let's look up Anna. Do delete. Hey, successfully removed. Cleared out all the form stuff. That looks pretty good. Okay, I better stop this recording and get the actual class started.